Hello, Zingapa, Zaimasi from Nepal. Nepal up to Nepal situation hilole protest his media social media news so se so ke hitane hon song he du kata sanin Nepal ki se boina chung tu se lo chu them khat kilo mo ka sa shortcut na kan share go nahi or especially for my YouTube family azi chu ipiham tile corruption he main cause so they are voicing against corruption. Who are they? Gen Z generation से कोई हम तिले 1997 आप ऐसा 2012 13 आपिंग generation social media खंग ही अमा होई Gen Z किती अहिन अमा होन इची protest ही lead ball वहिन. Okay, so last week आचो Meta company apps or Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp ही shut down ball दी थी government ही notice appeal. Ale YouTube zongjo. So that came as a very big shock for us. Tu khanga social media shut down ding. They are YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, WhatsApp. He as if we are going in the reverse direction at si bangzing na. Then tu khanga imazo se social media hita and entertainment ngan hitalowin. Job opportunities le khasim loy ho business ball ho they are Instagram online business they set online shopping abana everyday family Nepal mi tamzo hi every family mi khana hi foreigner umte or at least every one person in two families hi foreigner umte ali communication zong ha sawal ta. Then Gen Z generation ho neo khat ang khol panuta a khol pat na chu koi chungsang a khol mam tile politicians achate ho politicians chate chungsang a kholule just say masan ibola social media hi shut down bowling atile registration sum government in ape nai lo zero sum zon chu lag ni hitalo crore ni hitalo pa a value zone ki zo lo na maybe billions, I don't know how much. Like me, Nepali citizens on faithful that tax a pay uzop pitana to up sa tax even the water as on VAT in here India as on Nepal as on tax ki pay zing mizo sen ain ko te sumlo a foreigner suman ting zong le remittance a thot zong le tax Western Union a thought zong le tax. Ale tax su ki pe zang imazo se a tax ki parking lot na zong tax ki pe. Ale hit za tax ki pe wang in government in Tutsan. Ipiti de ham social media zang zong registration abol na ilo. Eats and corruption hitam na. Ale all the youth their work me influencers also without social media so hit halo. Ama holding the source of income from social media but sum alo ale they started themkhan ama on investigation ti ham politicians chate hin hoi a kholule thiltam ta amudo home minister chate prime minister chate ailole minister mai chate ho tu te ho hin ho che venule ko yam kha Australia US ha epitam no sa ta hin ho man Louis Vuitton bags Chanel bags ho ale this with a Gen Z generation hon ep conclusion na hong tile ke ho sum inule pan gen thei ta hon jong gen thei ta foreigner na ki to sum ki thon hoi nule pan jong gen thei ta na to ho he tax ho he social media apps pitam registration jong bol lowa tax so say he achate ho chunga invest ipite ham chate ho ne chai kya yo he tia that became one of the main reasons ali politicians chate ho also social media target a bolu pa Miss World shrinkhala zong he anu chula Miss World tile Nepal pat sa Miss World contender khat amazon na sata target a bolu ji so ma politicians anu hi ja. Then Zani Masachu Gen Z generation protest social media ban ball ze hitalowa social media ban ball is just a small trigger na but the root Nepal situation hi bui mong kile Nepal economic condition ho sa ho che again te che zut ho song koi ma cha talo azi chu mi zo se foreign khai gam Australia, UK, Hong Kong, US amount le nei le go nu le pa hon gam zo wa 40 lakhs 50 lakhs a chate ho US assaults you cause of a sailor. That's the reality here. Oh, tempat sum ane yule a chate ho US, Australia, UK wa thoughts you middle class family hile maybe Hong Kong, Dubai ho assaults you abana gen the ho chun a chate hilole ama ho e pidam Middle East at you Kuwait, Saudi ho na tonga che hi la foreign awang che te map ma zong Nepali ho chu vanui le sa na mu the main reason is hichi gama job opportunities umlo means umlo it's housing zong chu youth ho hi apunat valbe senwa ama zong chilaya nule pa goma umno min la le ha 12 chai le foreigner chi ngayu as you there is nothing to do here balding im cha umlo just sum lak sena ma foreign says you Korea, Japan, China every year like language center hong in Japan chi ding Korea chi ding kum khana Korea China ding 5 lakh 6 lakh students so ehon UPSC government exam a competitive bang foreigner Japan lut na ding Korea lut na ding lak student on competition about you it's a situation jo Nepal low tam na the housing zo hi Gen Z generation hi lung ha puna no hin eho inule pa da ha again they that parts are foreign city as it there is nothing to do here they are mazo se root cause corruption politicians ho na don lo job opportunities ho pe di ho sa lo they don't care they really don't care ama ho jate hola no the Mercedes Benz at all wa Tesla at all wa USA in la chilaya khanga who is doing what ki hello na chize amount pon base enwa tu chumi voice against corruption abolo hi so Gen Z generation hon protest balding protest itu hi social media ban ball ze mai hitalo in root cause hi corruption hi is corruption hi ipiam khat lo nga ye tia pute pate in a ball zolo hi Gen Z generation ki hon ka ball di tai tia protest apan hin la protest hi peaceful ta ball di tiule kanaute ho zong chiu chu school uniform college uniform ngen na balding water bottles umbrella ho and then hoita notice with a signboard ho say no to corruptions ho bo saving ati leo slowly ki control zo tolo ale opponent party ho political leaders ho mama in student ho kinsa sangin every student came so luck na student hong pot phanowa student ho chun peaceful da bol di tiule hichi rally sunga hi police on firing a ball panuta ko I'm sure politicians ho maman them khat firing ho ball le kichon tin ainuwa kile tan te tia tabang cho gial mai theu but ama ho gial bang talowin firing a ball ze wa chapong ho nasata kisu kha ngen hilowin one boy got shot ale nilha chanchu police hon 12-13 dead bodies casualties hita ale itabong chu chapong ho chu athau le Gen Z so chu out of control hita na they became out of control and then news are no more so the protests become very wild and they should not have gunshots or bolo deals or in la the ministers and all ama ho chun temare je chi chapang ho bo chu kisu ipita banduk ki awaz se na khat be firing ball le ki chon tin ainuwa ki le tan te ti agialo but it was not like that, and they became more violent to the point ministers ho ins and alu nuwa azib liu home minister azinua vetzo italo PM in zong to burn into ashes, PM into ahalule bora asum amu to he army in control of all the nation is without the prime minister was in amtalo finance minister, home minister, PM, everybody resigned to he direct under Nepal army him to he nation is looking for a new leader ipiti them what will be the next term ki hetalo tu chanwang pathelung sit na zalin Christian ho chunga wang ailole religious sai na wang imacha boy nai sai pon please town an gel che ote o in hichi protest hi imazo sia phading lama hung hen tia chilampang song taw na manding abana zensis ho hi zani achu PM to minister ho zo same reasonable phanwa zensi protester ho silent hi taw chu ama hon zong they took their protest back hinla to ai koi ham ki hedalo maybe another political leader ama hon zensi generation dana ki same wa gunda ho ama ho chu ama hon zensi generation protester min ho chu manwa banks ho ahilole national heritage site ho hi bona destroyable ta so zensis the main leaders from zensis generation amount chiwang ke ho bol hi to pod ke ho min bita su se no hi bowe hi kona bol ham ki hetalauna so the bottom line is please imazo se under control hi hen corruption against corruption hin pute patin a ball zolo wang hengi zenji generation a ball do zone juang chuki papi hinla the nation is at chaos at the moment destructions mang valbe set destructions on a chaos one and only shopping mall that we had jong chu hal sayuta jan chetan tin taunan gel tin there is so much fear here schools also born shut down government be so bible azam kisi chulana the book of judges are because there was no king lengpa umlo zia israelites ho no achonu bang to azang sim lengpa umlo zia zenzi generation mina wild animals dana they're destroying so many things so please pray that imazo se under control hung and imazo se pathinin adia pathin jate hodinga phalama hung kon hen tiana hon jong taunan nigel taunan gel dingin kan temin tuni ho fasting prayer kan yo hin ke ho jong in kowa as a family pathin anga kadil su go no hin because the nation really needs a good leader to a good leader peace hiking ai cha hin hichan sultan te ka ki pa e